Hello everyone. Question is a company has deployed an application in a production VPC in a single AWS account. The application is popular and is experiencing heavy uses. The company's security team wants to add additional security such as AWS WAF to the application deployment. However, the application's product manager is concerned about cost and does not want to approve the change unless the security team can approve that additional security is necessary. The security team believes that some of the application's demand might come from users that have IP addresses that are on a deny list. The security team provides the deny list to a DevOps engineer. If any of the IP addresses on the denial list access the application, the security team wants to receive automated notification in near real time so that the security team can document that the application needs additional security. The DevOps engineer creates a VPC flow log for the production VPC. Which set of additional steps should the DevOps engineer take to meet these requirements most cost effectively? Option A. Create a log group in Amazon CloudWatch logs. Configure the VPC flow log to capture accepted traffic and to send the data to the log group. Create an Amazon CloudWatch metric filter for IP addresses on the deny list. Create a CloudWatch alarm with the metric filter as input. Set the period to 5 minutes and the data points to alarm to 1. Use an Amazon Simple Notification Service Amazon SNS topic to send alarm notices to the security team. Option B. Create an Amazon S3 bucket for log files. Configure the VPC flow log to capture all traffic and to send the data to the S3 bucket. Configure Amazon Athena to return all log files in the S3 bucket for IP addresses on the deny list. Configure Amazon QuickSight to accept data from Athena and to publish the data as a dashboard that the security team can access. Create a threshold alert for 1 for successful access. Configure the alert to automatically notify the security team as frequently as possible when the alert threshold is met. Option C. Create an Amazon S3 bucket for log files. Configure the VPC flow log to capture accepted traffic to send the data to the S3 bucket. Configure an Amazon OpenSearch service cluster and domain for the log files. Create an AWS Lambda function to retrieve the logs from the S3 bucket, format the logs, and load the logs into the OpenSearch service cluster. Schedule the Lambda function to run every 5 minutes. Configure an alert and condition in OpenSearch service to send alerts to the security team through an Amazon Simple Notification Service Amazon SNS topic when access from the IP addresses on the denial list is detected. Option D. Create a log group in Amazon CloudWatch logs. Create an Amazon S3 bucket to hold query results. Configure the VPC flow log to capture all traffic and to send the data to the log group. Deploy an Amazon Athena CloudWatch connector in AWS Lambda. Connect the connector to the log group. Configure Athena to periodically query for all the accepted traffic from the IP addresses on the deny list and to store the results in the S3 bucket. Configure an S3 event notification to automatically notify the security team through an Amazon Simple Notification Service Amazon SNS topic when new objects are added to the S3 bucket. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, a development team wants to use AWS Cloud Formation stacks to deploy an application. However, the developer IAM role does not have the required permissions to provision the resources that are specified in the AWS Cloud Formation template. A DevOps engineer needs to implement a solution that allows the developers to deploy the stacks. The solution must follow the principle of least privilege. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A, create an IAM policy that allows the developers to provision the required resources. Attach the policy to the developer IAM role. Option B, create an IAM policy that allows full access to AWS Cloud Formation. Attach the policy to the developer IAM role. Option C, create an AWS Cloud Formation Service role that has the required permissions. Grant the developer IAM role a cloud formation action. Use the new service role during stack deployment. Option D, create an AWS Cloud Formation Service role that has the required permissions. Grant the developer IAM role that the IAM pass role permission. Use the new service role during stack deployments. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.